Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and fix the problem that you might be having with Odoo if your price list discount is not applying at checkout. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Odoo website right here, odoo.com, if you have not already. So if you do not already have it opened up, go right there, and this is going to be the home page of your website. From there in the upper right corner, the first thing we can do is go ahead and log into our account. So if you do not already have an account, just go ahead and create one. So after logging in, this is going to be the home page. From there in the upper left corner, we can access the editor menu, our configuration tab, site settings, and so on. So let's go and take a look at how to fix the problem if you keep getting the price list discount that is not being applied to your card. So here in the official odoo.com forums, somebody already asked the same question. Well, it's a simple configuration, guys. So as you can see, all Europe countries means that on the website everything is added and the discount is showing on the website, so it's valid. So only when adding to the card it reverts back to the price without discount. So only in the card it is not working. So it's probably going to be any incorrect configuration. You're going to go to your configuration tab right here at the top of the screen and get started with accessing the settings and then managing it to increase how it's going to be applied at the checkout. If you need any more help, I suggest going to the forums right here of Odoo, posting your own problem, and somebody with more knowledge is going to help you out. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.